Hello everyone, welcome in our YouTube channel, online series for geotechnical engineering. This is the third lecture for the geotechnical engineering. In first lecture, we are understand about what is the geotechnical engineering and its applications. Then in second lecture, we are we are study about the soil. What is soil, their definition, then the soil mechanics and their importance in geotechnical engineering. Then in this series, in this lecture, we are understand the what is soil mechanics with the help of three-phase diagram. The three-phase system, it's used to finding out the behavior of the soil in various applications. The three-phase system consists of, there is three main parts, that is solid, liquid and gaseous material in the three-phase system. The solid is the mineral particles. This is the three-phase diagram. It consists of a container, consists of solid, liquid and gaseous components, and the total container filled with soil. The total soil consists of three parts, that is air, water and solid. The voids present in this container or present in soil is called as the air present in this soil. Then some portion or some part contains water, that is moisture content present in soil. This is the water. And the main minerals of soil is a solid part of three-phase diagram. The three-phase diagram consists of these three stages, that is air, water and solid. With the help of this three-phase system, we are find there are some index properties, and by this three-phase diagram, we are distribute soil in three phases. First one is partially saturated soil, second one is fully saturated soil, and next one is dry soil. The partial saturated soil consists of air, water and solid. The next is fully saturated soil. It consists of water and solid. In fully saturated soil, there is no presence of air in fully saturated soil. The next one is dry soil. In dry soil, the soil consists of air and solid. There is no presence of water in dry soil. With the help of this three-phase diagram, we are defined number of index properties such as the void ratio, porosity, degree of saturation, and many more. But why we are studying about index properties? For finding out grain size distribution and consistency limit, we are finding out index properties. These index properties are indicate the grain size, different grain size of particle of soil sample, and it's also finding out the behavior of the soil as its water content is changes. With the help of changing water content, there is number of limits are formed. First one is plastic limit, then liquid limit and shrinkage limit. So we are find some index properties, and with the help of index property we are finding grain size and consistency limit. The some index properties are seen in this slide is the first one is void ratio, then porosity and degree of saturation. But what is void ratio? The void ratio is the void volume to the solid volume. In three-phase diagram, we are seeing air, water and solid. So void ratio is total volume of void to the total volume of solid. It is called as void ratio. The next one is porosity. Porosity means the ratio of void volume to the total volume. It is the ratio of void volume to the total volume is called as porosity. The next one is the degree of saturation. The degree of saturation. The ratio of water, the ratio of water volume to the volume of void is called as degree of saturation. These are the some index properties are find out from the three-phase diagram, and with the help of this index property we are finding the grain size distribution and the different limits. Then some relation between these index properties. These formulas are used in finding out the properties of soil and their behavior. First formula, second and third. Then next is the finding out grain size by sieve analysis. The sieve analysis consists of three procedures or three main components. First one is the procedure for conducting sieve analysis, then plotting grain size distribution curve, and by key parameters, finding out the key parameters, that is D10, D30 and D16. These procedure are carried out for finding the grain size distribution. Then next is hydrometer analysis. By using hydrometer analysis, we are also finding the grain size distribution. That is the theory behind the hydrometer analysis. That's Stokes law used to finding grain size distribution. Then next one is the procedure for conducting hydrometer analysis and the combining sieve analysis and hydrometer analysis data, we are finding the grain size distribution. Then next one is consistency limits. These limits are varies with the varying water content present in soil. The first limit is liquid limit. Then second consistency limit is plastic limit, and third one is shrinkage limit. The liquid limit, the water content at which the soil transfer from plastic to liquid state, it called as liquid limit. The next one is the plastic limit, water content at which soil transfer from semi-solid to plastic stage is called as plastic limit. And next one is shrinkage limit, the water content at which soil stops shrinking upon drying is called as shrinkage limit. These three are the main consistency limit are used to finding out the property and the behavior of the soil. By using different method, we are finding out these three limits. First is Casagrande method is determine the liquid limit of the soil. Then thread rolling method is used to determine the liquid limit, and volume change method is used to determine shrinkage limit. These are the important methods are used for finding out consistency limits. Then next one is applying soil mechanics in geotechnical design. In first lecture, we are understand what is the geotechnical engineering. Then next one is basic concept about soil and soil mechanics. But where we are apply this knowledge or this soil mechanics in geotechnical design. In this slide, we are shown the application of soil mechanics. As we understand, the soil mechanics is important role to effective design of geotechnical engineer and ensure the safe and sustainable construction project. And we learn about the three-phase system. In this series, we also learn about three-phase system and index properties to finding out grain size, their distribution, and how to relate the soil behavior. This knowledge is very important to design the foundation. It means we are applying this knowledge for designing the foundation and analyzing the slope stability. Therefore, it is also used to optimize the earthwork construction. In earthwork construction, we are also use the soil mechanics. So, from first series or first lecture to of this lecture, we are understand about all behavior or importance of soil mechanics in geotechnical engineering, basic concepts, basic index properties, and their applications to finding out behavior of the soil and finding out properties of soil. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.